Hi there. Welcome to episode 2 of Fixer Upper Welcome Home, the review by me, Monica. Today we're going to be diving into the second episode, the new Fixer Upper series. I'm going to be reviewing Joanna's designs. I was such a big fan of Fixer Upper, the original series, so I'm really excited that they're back now, seeing how she's evolved as a designer. At the beginning, I really loved her designs. They're so different, so unique, but over time, they got a bit repetitive. We're getting to see if she's really stepped up her game or not. In the first house of the series, I really loved it. I thought it was so modern. It was so clean. I've done a review here. So well done. So I'm excited to watch this episode. Let's dive in and see how it went. It's interesting that this is a single guy. They haven't done many for just it's usually a couple. Ooh, that's cute. It wasn't bad before. I think this, it's a bit dated, but the trees are nice. It's got shutters. Aren't really doing much for it right now, but at least it adds a bit of character. The landscaping's boring, but at least it has some landscaping. I don't like those white columns. They did a really good job though at updating this. I love that they removed those columns. Those black sconces, they look so good there. Usually they just whitewash a house, so I like that they kept the original brick color. It's more of a red color. It's not this white brick house, and the gray trim really give it more of a masculine feel to the house, which is nice for their client. The landscaping is a bit too shrubbery. I would have liked to seen more flowers. Okay, the door is the same kind of door from the last house, so they didn't paint the brick on this house. Painting your brick, it really changes the look of your house, but it also adds a ton of maintenance to the house because paint doesn't last very long, whereas brick lasts. Although paint adds a great impact, especially for a TV show, it's not great over time. I like that they didn't paint this house this time. Those French doors are beautiful, and they're also dark, a nice green color. This is the second time out of 2 houses that they've put an office immediately inside the door. Ooh, that's really cute, having the built-ins. That's a big change from light blue to this, and I like this. I like the lamp. I love this rug though, and this wood is a bit darker than they did on the last house for sure. It's a way more masculine. It's just very dark. And there's a lot of good storage in this room. In the last house, the entranceway was so dramatic and absolutely killer. This one, it doesn't have the same impact. Another white couch! New trend alert. White couches. I like the white rug in here, and the coffee table. They look great. The chairs again are nice. It's nice that they're leather and very masculine, but aren't overstuffed lazy boys. It's a nice living room. It's quite a small space, so it's nice that they have that seating area along the fireplace. That's a nice touch. Yeah, I love this gallery wall. It's nice to have some artwork and have some different bits, and it feels a lot bigger. They have a TV, which is very rare to see. And that's just practicality. Most people have TVs in their living room and have them visible. Okay, so they did this in the last home, but I really like it as kind of on the end of the island, having some open shelving so you can display some stuff. They went for this darker wood, which I think goes with the house. Do I love it? No. Do I think it works? Yes. Joanna always puts pot fillers in by the stove, which makes sense. However, this guy, he doesn't know what it is. He's not going to use it. I also like this backsplash. That's a difference. Ooh, those bar stools are kind of cool. There's something different. And also I like that they brought this navy in that's in the office. It's a cute little dining room. I'm not a huge fan of this wall shelf. It's just really impractical. It just looks a bit awkward. I love the table. the tablescape. I think that's really nice and simple. It's a huge improvement. And here is another Joanna-ism of putting plants on the wall. It's open concept. There's still these zones. I like that they have this, I think it's the charcoal, have that color throughout the house. And this bedroom looks cute. It's got the wainscoting. It's really small. It looks like a dorm bedroom. Okay, the bed is against the wall. It's just a very young person who has their bed against the wall because their room is too small. But he needs a proper sized bedroom. He's a grown man. Get him a full-size bedroom. It's like, I think the whole room looks nice, and I think it's appropriate for a man. However, it's too small if you have to put the bed against the wall for an adult. That's a big bathroom. Why did they give him such a small bedroom if he has this big bathroom? It's got 2 sinks in it, and the bed's against the wall. What? Come on. Okay, no. Oh, I love that it's bright and white, and I love this dark tile behind the mirror. I think that's beautiful, and they brought in the wood. I think this is a really lovely bathroom. I love this tile. It's this dark gray blue kind of color going around everywhere. I love the built-in shower. That's beautiful. Yeah, the tile's so fun, and I like that they went with the black grout, so it just kind of looks solid, but it's got a bit of a texture, and it's just something nice. It's a bit different from your typical tile. That wraps up this house. I like that they didn't paint it. The living room is nice. It's kind of nice. It was a bit more white and red. The rest of the house was kind of brown and blue themed, and I like that it felt very warm and comforting. The kitchen dining area was okay, not my favorite ever, but I did really love the bedroom and bathroom combination. It just wasn't big enough for me. Like, I just wanted the bedroom to be big enough for a proper bed, and then if that had been the case, that would have been my favorite part of the house for sure. That definitely was like an average house. It didn't really have any high impact moments for me. It was still quite an updated style for Joanna, which was great to see. However, I did see a lot of similarities between this one and her previous house, so maybe that's just her new design style that she's going to. Like, there's definitely changes from her previous houses to these houses, but these houses were quite similar, just like slightly different colors. So yeah, it's gonna be interesting to see what she does next, if she does something else, or if this is her new kind of basic style going forward. I'm gonna review their next episode soon, so stay tuned, and I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, let me know. Put in the comments down below, like, what you liked, what you didn't like. I would love to hear that. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you soon.